Welcome back, CM Capital squad, and yeah, welcome back to 2025. We'll say welcome back, welcome to 2025. Yeah, we're back to making the vlogs, we're back to making the content. So far, so good. So yeah, welcome to week one of the new journey, the fresh start of the journey. So yeah, week one has begun. Week one of a long year that's more than likely going to be playing out. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm anxious, but most of all, obviously, like I've already said, I am excited. Just made my coffee, just about to make some eggs, just about to sit down and make my market breakdown video for the week. Was supposed to do it this weekend, but I didn't get round to it. Not a great start because I should be new year, should be focused, should be doing things properly, but yeah, I didn't have time. The weekend was busy. The little man's still not fully at school yet, so yeah, so it's gonna make it now. It's still early. It's not even come to 8 o'clock yet, so I'm gonna bang it out, get it recorded, get it uploaded for the team and for the community, and yeah, we'll just get the ball rolling. I'm currently in a trade. Funny enough, I am in a trade. If I get time, I'll run over it. It's in profit, but we'll see how we get on. And that's it. I'll keep you updated, guys.
I think they're biting. Okay, guys, chill. Just give me away from the plane. Oh, God.
Hey, good morning, team, and welcome to the market breakdown for the week ahead. This is the first one of 2025. What's going on, guys? Yeah, so far so good. The trading year has come off to a good start. It's had a good start so far. So I took 2 trades in gold yesterday. They both hit break even, is what it is. But it has actually, gold has actually moved in my initial direction now and hit take profit. So that's quite annoying. But nevertheless, this analysis was right and it played out and it hit take profit. Yeah, so EA hit take profit yesterday. If you haven't watched my traders recap, which most of you probably wouldn't have if you're not in the Discord, but if you're on a Discord then you probably would have. Hit take profit for a nice 2.5%, beautiful. And yeah, we're currently running in some good profits on NZD CAD and NZD Swiss franc. Let's flip the camera around if it will work. There you go, look at that, beautiful transition. We're currently up 50k account. We're sitting at profit of 187, and we're currently running just over £1,000 profit on these 2 trades together. But I am expecting them to hit take profit. NZD CAD any time now. If we get over 1,000, I think the take profit is at 1.2k. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. Just need these to keep pushing. We're moving nicely, but I want to see these. Look at that, it's moving lovely. Take profit's just sitting here. Just need to see that take profit come into play now. It's got to go pick little man up soon from school. I haven't been too active on the content at the minute because I just haven't been. I just haven't been active. So next week I'm going to try and get a lot more active on the camera. Get back into the rhythm of shooting some video content for you guys. But yeah, so far this week has been good. Yeah, there's not much else to say, I suppose. Gonna go and pick little man up, go for a walk to go and pick him up, because it's freezing outside, but we're gonna give it a go. But yeah, so far so good this week. I'm enjoying the rhythm of trading again at the minute. So good start to the year, and we'll see how we get on. But yeah, keep following, keep watching, and I'll keep you guys posted on future events. Sweet. Okay, team, and welcome back to my first journey video of the year, 2025. Welcome. Hope you had a good Christmas. Hope you had a good New Year. Let's get back into it. It's been a very, very good start to the new year for myself. Yeah, so I'm just sitting at over 5% up because I've got a current trade running, which is running in profit. That's the NZD Swiss franc trade that is currently running in profit. Let's have a look what it is running at. is running at roughly around basically 1 hour at the minute. So we're 1 hour up on that. Overall 5% at the moment without any of these trades hitting stop losses or take profits. So I've got NZD Swiss franc, and then I've got NZD CAD, which is currently running in at little loss, but it has not that long ago tagged in to the trade. So we'll see how that rolls over. But overall, guys, it's been a good week. So I want to try and keep this momentum up now. My discipline has been locked in really good for the start of the year. So I'm guessing that the December break was a good one, even though I wanted it just to get it done and I wanted to get back to the markets because I didn't like the way the year ended on the markets for myself. So yeah, we started off really good. I'm excited. I'm happy. I took 1 day trading kind of style trade that was based on gold. It was break even, where I took one profit at 40 and then one loss at 70. So basically a break even trade on that. But it did end up actually going to my take profit range. I just rolled my stops too close to break even and stuff like that. So I just stung myself on that one. But yeah, just get over to the screen. And so this is the USD CAD trade. Currently sitting on this, actually just bring the old ding, there we go, the old camera up. So yeah, USD CAD is currently sitting in drawdown, nothing crazy. We're just sitting up there. The setup is perfect, so there's not much I can really moan about in this situation because, like I said, yes, the setup is bloody perfect. But once I'm trying to sort this camera out, right? Okay, but US dollar is getting stronger. Obviously, Trump's putting a lot of tariffs on people and stuff like that, so things are happening in the US dollar. So strength is likewise to come in with the dollar. Canada, Justin Trudeau, if that's his name, I believe it is, he just resigned. So that is positive for Canada because he's apparently not been a great prime minister. Very lefty, very wokey. So it's a bit of a hit and miss with this one. I do want to see it push downside, but with how strong the US dollar is at the minute, we could see it just carry on to the upside. But it's an A+ setup. Everything lines up. So I've got to place a trade. I'm not a fundamental trader at the end of the day. So we'll see how this one plays out. But looking at the daily and that, it's just been moving up for such a long time. So we've got to expect some sort of pullback at some point. So that's that one. NZD Swiss franc, if you just take a look at this, it's basically the same as NZD CAD from yesterday. Overall, we're just bearish. So moving down to the 4 hour, I have gone over it if you ever watched the traders recap. So you will see it, liquidity sweep, push downside, breaking structure, lovely impulsive move. We want to see some of the inefficiency, some of the fair value gaps get filled, liquidity get taken, supply get tagged into. All of that has now happened. Supply, fair value gaps, liquidity. Now we've got some trendline liquidity that has been built to be taken. So everything is pointing to the downside. And obviously if you pull that through, and if you are a trendline trader, a break and a retest, it's all connecting. The dots are connecting basically. So my stop loss is set to this high. So this is going to be a no loss trade overall if it does come back up and hit stop loss. So yeah, so it's going to be a very positive week. I'm going to bring across actually my Alpha Capital because this is currently what I'm working with at the minute. I do have other accounts, but this is the one I'm focusing on at the minute to start the year off. So account size is the 50k. Yeah, and as you can see by this chart, what the fuck's going on here? We're lagging a bit here on this. Yeah, what is going on here? I don't like their new interface because even on the phone it seems to glitch. But yeah, anyway, if you see by this graph, you can see there's been a steady growth. Went into a tiny bit of drawdown there, but that was due to the gold trade, I think. Yeah, so yeah. But yeah, been a lovely steady growth to the end of the week. So even if this NZD Swiss franc trade hits stop loss, like I said, I'm still basically ending the week 5% up. If USD CAD hit stop loss, right, that's a 1%. So maximum minimum I'm gonna be taking is 4% a week, which is fucking amazing. If you can do 4% every week for a month, that's a great return. So yeah, so we're just over halfway reached on the profit target. So can't complain about that. Obviously, I've had it for 5 days. So yeah, starting the week. So happy days as well. Maximum daily loss, nowhere near it. Yeah, so there's nothing I can complain about. Green days only at the minute. Obviously, we're going to see some red days, so I can't be too excited and get too ahead of myself, because that's what I've done last year. I had a fucking amazing first quarter. Got too ahead of myself. I thought, that's it. I'm going to have a fucking Lambo in a couple of weeks, but no, it doesn't work like that, does it? So yeah, a green week so far. As you can see by the chart metrics here, the date, the calendar, whatever you want to call it, I'm not over trading. The discipline is in place. I've took one trade here, one trade there, but that was the break evens based on gold, I believe, if that's what that is. Well, that's probably actually the starting. Yeah, that's probably the start when I opened the account. So here, I think, is, yeah, this drop here was because of gold. So yeah, so the only trades I lost was there, but there was basically break even. So it's not a red day overall. So 2 red days, overall result profit of trade of 2,000. Okay, click on it. Okay, whatever. Sweet. But yeah, so I don't want to make this video too long. I don't want to make these vlogs too long. I do think last year when I was making the vlogs, they got a bit boring. It was a lot of fucking coffee making and eggs making and just shit. So I've tried to break it down a bit. And yeah, so this is it. So week 1 is officially done. Welcome back to the journey. This is a new journey, the fresh journey, the journey of 2025. A new series, should I say, because I'm just going to do this as week 1 again. I'm not going to carry it on. Week 1 of 2025. So yeah, fucking happy days. I'm excited. I'm very excited for this year. A lot of positiveness going around in the Discord as well by you guys. Yeah, by everyone who's in the Discord, man. Like, it's really good. It's a good atmosphere. We've got a good bunch of people as well. We had some new additions at the end of the year, and they're fucking amazing, man. So I'm really happy with everyone that's come in. Like JP, if you're watching this, like, you're a sick man, bruv. Do you know what I mean? Like, everyone's doing good, mate. JP's absolutely smashing it. Levels have just gone up. Everyone's just doing sick. Mo's doing sick. Dale's doing sick. Fucking Osmond. Kleb's always been doing sick. So Asia's doing sick. She just needs to get back actually on trading. So yeah, it's fucking good, man. So happy days, everyone. And I will hopefully see you guys next week. I'm hopefully going to try and keep these videos going. But we'll see. But yeah, overall, Alpha Capital account is in the positive. Little trades here and there on the personal account, not too bothered about that at a minute. I've got a few accounts on E8, but the main focus at the moment for this vlog series and for this journey series is this Alpha Capital account. I can only really focus on one on each series. I don't want to get too ahead of myself and too crazy and fucking loads of accounts and shit. So the main focus, Alpha Capital 50k, that's what this journey is going to be based on. And yeah, we'll see how we get on. So far, week 1, smashed. Fucking great week. So I will see you guys in the next one, and I will see you guys in the Discord. Thanks for watching.
Nighttime surfer, can't go bed yet. Need a 0.5 and a spliff, so I wind down. Got a sweet one, bring around Wingstop too much, and I'm sending her lights out. All the man them sounding like TFR, cause they keep telling me that